right, we're recording.
Thank you, Grandma and Papa, for the paper airplane bird.
And what do you have in your hand?
Ninja.
The flying ninja? Okay, let's see it go. Cool. And then, what about your other ones? What should we do next?
Professional.
The professional. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it fly. Cool. And then...
Hammer.
Wait. Alright, we got the hammer.
Hammer.
Alright, go. And then...
Cloudy night.
Okay, let's see it. And then your last one that you invented.
Exploder.
Okay, and what does the exploder do?
Well, it has these little things that explode bad guy planes.
Yeah. And that one you just invented, but the others were from the book, right?
This one can slide and sit.
Cool.
And the cloudy night I invented too.
And then there was the terror plane that we can't find, right?
Uh-huh.
Freddie, say hi, Grandma and Papa.
Hi, Grandma, Papa.